Hi, thanks for purchasing the curved rafter. This is just a little video to quickly show you how to fit them. When you get them, they'll come like this, just put together with a little channel nuts on the back. Inside the back of the curved rafter, you'll notice it's got that little fitting, and that aligns perfectly with the channel nut. The channel nut will slide down the ramp and then lock into that, which holds it in that position. So when you're putting it up against the rafter, it won't move and it'll lock in place. You need a 4mm Allen key. Doesn't have to be a T-bar one, just obviously a 4mm one. To start off with, you'll get it and you'll just undo it slightly so that the riv nut or the channel nuts can move freely like so, and they'll turn that way, but not all, look out, but not all the way, so that the channel nuts don't fall off. So you want it like so, a little bit looser, so you can fit it into the channel on the awning. And I'll show you, follow me along this. You'll then notice that this has an up arrow, so put it in your awning. Can you see?
Yep.
Put it in the awning where they is facing like so. It'll literally just slot into place wherever you want it to go. Then you'll do up your Allen keys, which will turn the channel nuts sideways. If they don't look to be turning, just stick your finger behind to hold them in place, and I can see that that one has, there we go, not quite locked, but there we go. It should turn. And that's locked into place there. It's a bit harder with those. And then just the same on this side. Do it up nice and firm till you feel it lock into place. That's it. It shouldn't move or slide around, and that's as much work as it takes to put it into place. Don't stupidly tighten them. It is plastic, but you may want to put a little bit of Loctite on so they don't vibrate loose over time. But that's as hard as it gets, and you've fitted it up. So thanks for buying again, and if you like it, recommend it to others.